Нихао. Так, перчатки. Тут наши американские ребята подъехали. Привет, Джонни. Nike. Nike.
Oh yeah, Nike. You got a bunch.
Look. За спорт, братан. За спорт. Good, a little bit better like Nike. Вот так вот мы сидим по одному. В общем, еду наберем, а потом покажу вам, что здесь есть плоды. Поехали. Тут у нас миллиардный вид. Так, хлеб, капуста, фрукты, овощи, мясо. И, короче, вон туда до конца. Ну все. Поднос набран. Значит, здесь я взял овощи, паста с курицей. Здесь сырое мясо, мидии есть.
2000 years later.
She's gonna try it with her chopsticks. Here's the fried rice, cauliflower. This is the duck. Oh, thank you. Scallion pancakes are so fire. Everything is so good. We're gonna have to take it all home. We're really full. I ordered way too much food, but I just wanted to try everything. It's so hard to like choose what to get because I just want it all. So I tried something new. I got the cauliflower and the rice, and it was so good. I didn't really feel myself. And the duck. The duck was insane. But now I don't know what to do because we still have so much, and I think we're just gonna bring it for takeaway because we're so
2000 years later.
To say that in between competitions, I've just been eating. That's how I've been killing the time because the food is so good. Check it out. We got the black pepper mushroom beef dish. Oh, sweet and sour pork. This is mixed vegetable, cauliflower, and garlic sauce. Kung Pao chicky, Dan Dan noodles, white rice. So good. So good. We got the black pepper mushroom beef dish. Oh, sweet and sour pork. This is mixed vegetable, cauliflower, garlic sauce. Kung Pao chicky, Dan Dan noodles, white rice.
哦，天公不作美，我躺在床上睡。
2000 years later.
给它土性味一点啊，因为
还有一点点，
你又喝掉了。好了，把口我给你开了。Okay. Isn't that normal? Lunch is ready. Ooh. 羊手 beer fish. Ooh. Uncle. Cheers. Cheers. 欢迎你们来中国来过了年，好吧
You said welcome to China for the Spring Festival.
2000 years later.
Really want vlog updates from inside the game, showing the facilities and venues, and you know they just look like they're having a great experience. You know, they're loving it, right? But one thing that I noticed, mainly with the American athletes, is that they seem to be kind of confused and taken aback a little bit. They're kind of surprised that this is China. They're like, oh my God, what the hell, guys? This is not the China that I heard about on CNN and Fox News. Well, what is this? You know, because they're just every day back home in America, they're exposed to this anti-China propaganda, barrage of it. It's just non-stop coming at them. So when they actually arrived and came to China, actually saw China for what it is, they're thinking, can't believe I believed all that crap. I'm from West.
2000 years later.
And I also imagine all their food.
People, lots and lots of people. That's my first impression.
La población, por la cantidad de gente que hay, muchísima gente.
I think China is a very busy place. There are many people and there's quite a lot of buildings.
Everyone is like concerned about their own jobs. It's the first good impression I found in China.
Transportation, good thing, you know. Everybody can take a bus or like subway or car and taxi wherever it is.
红色，还有上海、麻将，还有白酒。
首先想起来的是好吃的中国美食，然后呢，第二人多，还有国度很大。
很大，人口很多，麻辣烫很好吃，还有淘宝，快递。要吃紧的针，要洗肾。
我来到中国的时候，有很多人，每个地方如是的，每个地方。
2,000 years later.
不要，你就扫我二维码行，我要给你钱，你钱都不要了。我东西就是7块钱，然后他们都会说能不能给我12块钱，我给你10块钱不行吗？这个逻辑跟美国是完全不一样的。
我是虎哥的铁粉，如果代言的那些的品牌我都要买。如果他开始了广告什么代言呢，应该是特别好。
Anyway, we have learned very basic words like 你好，我叫这个那个。
太贵了。
我们是水商，没有钱，骗你一点。
Really convenient. If I was in Rio de Janeiro, that wouldn't exist because like the thieves would like rob everything in 1 hour. They put the things in the street on the street like so easily. Really safety. It's crazy.
Back in my country, you just don't have the conditions that allow for that level of efficiency.
2,000 years later.
There's a food shortage in China. There's no more food left in China. Chinese people are unhappy living under oppression. Does this look like oppression? Take a look at this buffet. Man, look at this. Oh my god, seafood. Wow. Look at all this. This is insane. Oh my god. What on earth? What on earth is going on here? Oh my god, this is a meat lover's dream. This is a dream come true. Pizza? What the hell? How can they have this much of a selection?
2,000 years later.
现在就是来到了这种大家喝茶的地方，非常的舒服。然后后面有一个那个戏台，踩有多少钱？
采24啊，12、
我踩就好了，在这边吗？在这边吗？
对啊，就在这里，就
在这里踩。不然呢？就是我是从小到大太近了，就是第一次被妈妈以外的人采耳，所以就是非常的紧张。这就开始了吗？好奇妙的感觉，而且很多人在看，你就会觉得在公共场合做一些很私密的事情。不要蹭我的耳屎！阿姨，你要不要坐着啊？好敏感。啊，好紧张！妈，这个前所未有的刺激的感觉是什么？人生达到了高潮。妈呀，这什么？这是电吗？我怎么觉得耳朵好麻哦？电啊！别！我觉得我会做噩梦。啊！夹耳屎最爽的那一瞬间，就是它那种拉出来这种世界通畅的感觉。